Hello hikers, and welcome back. Today's hike is to the top of Black Elk Peak in Black Hills National Forest in South Dakota. It's a moderate hike of about 7 miles, but it does run uphill as the name suggests. We'll show you some of the sights along the way and share an interesting fact when we get to the top. So let's get started. Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into Shred World. This hike starts at Sylvan Lake in Custer State Park. You'll see dramatic scenic overlooks, the registration area, a rock window, and the stone fire tower itself. Find trail number 9 near the parking area and head towards this bench. At first, this wide dirt and rock trail has a moderate slope. At the top of this ridge, you'll get your first look at the peak and the tower, and it's a spectacular sight. The tower's a little hard to spot. This bench offers a clue. The trail continues through the woods and offers additional viewpoints. Hike past the wilderness registration box. Registration was not required when we were there. The trail becomes steeper after this bridge, with log steps and stone stairs. At this sign, continue left and uphill. The trail is wide at this point, but there are some steep drop-offs on the right. There are also some spectacular views. The trail continues up and left, and you're rewarded with more views. It doesn't matter which way you go here. We went left. And finally, we can see the tower. You're almost there, but first you need to pass through this unique room with a stone window. Look up. You'll see the sky and the metal steps you'll soon be climbing. This is a good Instagram spot. The tower is open, and you can climb this steep metal ladder to the top. A 360-degree view awaits. The reason this place is so special is if you want to get this high to the west, you have to go to the Rockies. And if you want to be this high going east, you have to go to the Pyrenees in Spain. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like by hitting the thumbs up button below this panel. And while you're there, why not subscribe?